Good afternoon, dear students. This is Kiran Sarswise. Welcome to online classes. Today we are going to deal a new lesson, a new poem. Name is The Listeners. This is the name of poem. Everyone understand the title of the poem, The Listener, सुनने वाला. So when we dealing any poem, we have to introduce about the poem and poet. This poem written by the Walter de la Mare. So Walter de la Mare, this is the birth year and this is the death year 1873 and 1956. Means this poem written in that particular British periods. Okay. Now spent most of his life writing poems and stories, mostly for children. So this poet written so many novels, stories and poems for only children's. His first book of poems are called Song of Childhood and this is written by 1902. The main theme we wrote about were romance and nature. So Walter de la Mare wrote so many poems. In that poem, having the some type kinds of romance and related to nature. His style was simple and the mysteries of magic. उनकी लिखने की जो लैंग्वेजेस है वो सिंपल है बट हैविंग सम मिस्टेरियस ऑफ मैजिक, एक चमत्कृति जादुई जिस तरह से उन्होंने लिखाना होता है. द मूनलाइट एंड क्वाइटनेस fascinated him greatly. So in his poem having the some kinds of discussion about the moonlight and quietness, जहाँ पर रात में वर्णन किया जाता है और शांत जो प्लेसेस है उस एरिया उस जगह पर वो पोएम बनाना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. दिस सब्जेक्ट्स आर इंट्रोड्यूस इन मोस्ट ऑफ हिज पोएम्स. और ये दोनों चीज़ें हैं मूनलाइट एंड क्वाइटनेस, दिज आर द टू थिंग्स मोस्टली डिस्क्राइब इन द पोएम्स ऑफ द Walter de la Mare. So that's why, as usual, in this poem also he describes about the moonlight and quietness. Okay. Now we are discussing about the what is matter, what is the discussion in the poem. In many of his poems, उनमें उनके बहुत सारे poems में there is a mystery which readers must solve as best they can. In this poet, he write the poem and in this poem having the so many mysterious things and that is live upon the readers. वो सारी चीज़ें रीडर्स के ऊपर छोड़ देते हैं और दे कैन थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट. सो दैट्स वाई इन दिस पोएम आल्सो द पोएट leave the so many questions on the head of the reader. This is one of his best known poem and the reader is left with many questions. In these poems also the poet giving the so many questions for the thinking to the person those who are discussing this poem. और इस पोएम के तहत उन्होंने बहुत सारा मिस्ट्री, इमेजिनेशंस और क्वेश्चंस रीडर के लिए छोड़े हैं. लाइक दिस इन दिस पोएम आल्सो द वॉल्टर de la Mare आल्सो left the so many questions to the readers. So students, this is the poem The Listener. Walter de la Mare discussing this poem in a literary way, in a literature way. So that's why when we're discussing about the literature way, we have to just feel about the imaginations. We have to feel like that. And in this poem having the mystery, चमत्कृति, वहाँ पर नेचर का डिस्क्राइब इस पोएम में पोएट ने किए हैं. So my dear students, in next videos we discuss about the poem, but first of all you have to write the whole poem in your notebook. And this poem published in 1912, and this is the 36 line poem and very interesting, related to the mysteries, imaginations, and we have to feel about that. Okay students, so in next period we discuss about the poem. First of all you have to write whole poem in your notebook. Thank you, have a nice day.